In this short video, you will know exactly how to track UTM parameters inside Google Analytics. First, logging into your account, go to the left side column, hit Reports, go to Traffic Acquisition under Acquisition. Down here, click on Session Source / Medium. Source is where the traffic is coming from, and medium is the type of traffic, whether it be paid traffic, organic, direct, and we can also add a secondary dimension to break down the UTM parameters even more. And we can add a secondary dimension. In this case, we're going to search for campaign and select session campaign. And now we can see all the traffic that's coming in, but it's also breaking down into different campaigns. Now, in order to check out more specific data that we actually want to take a look at, we can actually go into the search bar and look for the exact traffic type. So for this example, we are looking for email traffic. So click on Traffic Source and Medium and switch it to Session Medium. And now you see that email as one of the UTM parameter. We can simply go to the search bar and type in email, and we can filter out all the traffic to only show email traffic. And now all the email traffic is showing, but now let's break that down even more by adding another dimension. So hit Add and type in Session Campaign. Now this will show you all the email traffic and email campaigns that are driving traffic. Now what this is doing is filtering out UTM medium and UTM campaign inside your Google Analytics account. Now adding UTM parameters in your links are extremely helpful when it comes to identifying where your effort is being paid off in your business. And it's fairly simple. You can use this cheat sheet to reference which parameters that you want to use that's relevant to your business. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add UTM parameters in your links on your website. And you can watch that video right here.